I just woke up from a long Saturday afternoon nap. The sun is so high, I really can't go to the market even if I want to. So I'm about to make something, soup I hope, with everything I have in my fridge. So let me show you. Thank God I have pepper, I've grated that. I have stockfish, I have bitter leaf. I brought this from the last wedding I went to. My mom was there. This is a Charlie. There's melon cake and bushmeat. Actually, I have crayfish and the seasoning cubes. I've done all the preps. I think this is going to be my protein. This meat we have that we had to grill, I think, to preserve it because our freezer is small. It will be able to contain. Now let's start with this oil that I got from my mom brought from Elisha. Is that too much? I don't know. I love oil on my soup space. It's just not much. It's okay. It's okay. First thing I'll go in with is my pepper mix, onion, and the okpehe that I grated with it. I'm not even sure if I have like a proper soup spoon set. Okay, there's a deep one there. Okay, I have a spoon. I have spoon. I'm going in with my water now. This is fried enough. I want to make small soup so that it's fine. Go in with the protein. Just wash off all the spices on it. Inside, the earlier the better. Just marinate with the whole soup. Because usually when you're boiling meat, all the spices that comes out of it, since it's no longer available, we'll just make do with the spices that we used to marinate the meat before. Like this water might be small. Because it will still dry a bit. Folding it. Okay, I think that's fine. Going with the stockfish I've already washed. I like for my bitter leaf to wash inside the soup so we just have that bitter leaf taste. Just cook like for long with the whole stock. So it's sweet. Go in a bit of my crayfish. I'm not going to be adding the seasoning yet since I don't know how much of that meat or that seasoning from the meat is going to, from the protein is going to wash inside the soup. So what we'll do now is cover and let it cook. The soup is looking good. Looking good. Oosh. Can add the seasoning. You see bushmeat from the marriage and my chani. You taste the chani today?
What's that?
The chani now, that melon this thing.
What is special about it?
It's a goosey now. See how we mold a goosey for a goosey soup. Instead, you mold it to the point that, baby, is that not enough? You know me, I like thick soup, so that one.
My poor man for you.
Because light one are for my food.
Yes, now.
Oh God. How is it?
Yes, okay. Coffee, bro.
I cannot. Which hand I want to use?
Drop it.
Sure, you will cover it now. Let me just finish cover. So I'm gonna go tick so.
I think so.
I say you go tick so. Oh my babe, so ogbono is not the best thing.
It's not what?
The ogbono itself. Not bad though.
You carry your two this now.
You want?
No.
Okay, I just say you don't want. Soup is ready. Not bad. Not bad. That's not bad, man. I like the sharpness of the bitter leaf. Okay, that's it. Go enjoy my meal.